Hey everybody, it is Lamiel, the Money Goddess here, and I wanted to let you know that I am retiring the Credit Empowerment Coaching Program. Not everybody has been in that program. It's not something that was available on the website for very long because it got full and then it was closed. So, the Credit Empowerment Coaching is being retired. Any future credit empowerment coaching will be referred to our new credit empowerment agents. However, since that is closing for a limited time, I am going to be offering the empowerment coaching one-on-one, and you can see all the details below. Click the link. I would love to work with you. It's only $100 for 4 sessions, and when all the spaces are full, it will be closed and that coaching will be gone.